Hey, this is John with FixYourDirtBike.com, and this is how to remove and inspect the exhaust valve governor on your 94 through 01 Yamaha YZ125. You can find my full top-end service video as well as parts and tools linked below. Install the governor fork with the bar facing down. Apply thread lock and torque the fork screws to 44 inch-pounds. Install the governor and test the operation. Align the groove on the governor to the fork and test the operation. The drive shaft should operate freely. The exhaust valve governor is a stack of thrust bearings, washers, and a collar, all held together with a single pin at the end. As you disassemble the governor, lay out each piece in order, then clean and inspect each piece while you reassemble. But my favorite way is to get the governor almost assembled, then drop everything and have all the pieces mixed up. It's a good time, I highly recommend it. If any parts are damaged, they need to be replaced. The governor design changed for the 1999 model year. Pause here to take a screenshot of the installation order. Press down the governor stack and install the pin with needle nose pliers. Install the governor in the crankcase. Install a new gasket and install the crankcase cover. Install the linkage washer and linkage arm. I like to use a screwdriver to raise the drive shaft arm into position. Apply thread locker and install the drive shaft bolt. When tightening the drive shaft bolt, use a socket as a backstop to avoid stress on the linkage and drive shaft. Install the rubber crankcase seal. If it's cracked, brittle, or otherwise worn out, it needs to be replaced. Install the linkage cover first, then install the gasket. The gasket is an open design, which makes it easy to slide in from the top, but you will have to finagle the holes to align the bolts. If you need any help or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments or shoot me a DM. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.